Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Here's a quick tutorial on how to write a simple Python program that uses a fortran subroutine. We will be using the f2py tool that comes with numpy to interface Python with fortran. 1. Write a fortran subroutine. First, let's create a simple fortran subroutine that calculates the square of a number. Save the following code in a file named square.f90. To compile the fortran subroutine, open your terminal and use the following command to compile the fortran subroutine into a shared library. This command will create a shared library named square.so, or square.dll on Windows. 3. Write a Python program. Now, let's write a Python program that calls the fortran subroutine we just created. Save the following code in a file named main.py. 4. Run the Python program. Execute the Python program by running the following command in your terminal. You should see the output. That's it. You have successfully created a Python program that uses a fortran subroutine. This approach allows you to take advantage of the high performance of Fortran while still being able to interact with it from Python. Let me know if you need further assistance or clarification.